Hello. All right, this last resource I want to talk about is called Artsonia. Artsonia is essentially what it is. It's an online platform and it's a collection of student art. It's published by teachers and students from schools and places all around the world, actually. And this is pretty interesting platform to be able to upload art from your students. So this can be done from a specific art teacher in your school or your regular classroom teacher if artwork is done in there. It's a cool thing. Let me go ahead and get into this. So used here by teachers. So this is kind of the home page, and you can set it up where you'll be able to add your students. Yep. You'll be able to add students from your classroom into your page here, and you can even build a gallery as far as different topics of artwork that you want created, and to be able to upload art here as well. You can upload it obviously through the app. You can download, upload art directly through files through your normal browser or through the class portal where students can upload their own artwork. So the cool thing about that is all the students will need to do is open up that app used from an iPad, for example, or tablet in class, or even from home if need be. And essentially what they would be able to do is whatever the classroom code is, or a QR code, scan a QR code given by the teacher to be able to access getting into the system, and they can be able to snap a picture of their artwork, edit it however they see fit, and then they can upload it directly into the class portal that way. Once it is uploaded into the class portal, it will go to the teacher for review, and the teacher can finalize that. The cool thing about Artsonia is that this can also be shared with parents, so the parents can see the artwork that their students are creating right there in class almost instantly. And then this is a free platform to use, and then with this, parents can be able to have access to their kiddos' artwork, and even do certain things with that however they see fit. So this is a different resource as far as being able to access and view your students' artwork right here through this platform.